Hey guys, Paul here. You know that feeling when you come back from an epic adventure only to realize that your travel videos don't quite capture the magic that you've experienced? Well, strap up your camera straps because today I'm gonna give you some game-changing tips on how to turn those lackluster videos into a jaw-dropping masterpiece right now. First, let's talk about planning your shots. It's tempting to hit record and go with the flow, but a little prep goes a long way. Plot out your locations, research the best times for lighting, and consider the narrative flow of your video. This isn't about stifling spontaneity. It's about ensuring you capture the essence of each place in its best light, literally. Diversifying your shots is key. Don't be the one-trick pony stuck in wide-angle vistas. Mix it up with close-ups, time-lapses, and even drone shots. Variety not only adds visual interest, but also paints a more complete picture of your journey. So switch lenses, change angles, and keep your audience guessing. Next, let's spice things up with local insights. It's not about showcasing landmarks. It's about immersing your audience in the culture. Talk to locals, sample the cuisine, and let their stories intertwine with yours. By incorporating these unique elements, you're not just a spectator. You become a storyteller, giving your audience a genuine taste of the destination. Now, on to developing your style. What makes your videos uniquely yours? Experiment with color grading. Experiment with different editing techniques and find that signature shot that screams, "This is me. This is my production." Consistency and style not only makes your videos instantly recognizable, but also forms a connection with your audience. Now, you need to tell a compelling story. Your travel video is more than just a compilation of pretty shots. It's a narrative, it's a journey. Think of it like a movie. Set the stage, introduce the characters. Even if it's just you, build tension and deliver climax. Take your audience on an emotional roller coaster, leaving them craving for a lot more. So there you have it, 5 tips to turbocharge your travel videos. Plan your shot, diversify your angles, include local insights, develop your style, and most importantly, tell a compelling story. Now, get out there, hit record, and let your audience unfold on the cinematic canvas. Until the next time, watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and let's all learn, create, and share. So, peace out. Peace, 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 peace.